It's good.
Tell me, what was that again?
Snowball that I throw everybody at the of the night it melts.
And they're not looking. Now, what is that behind you got going? What's that, Maddie?
We're going to You Know What Mom.
Oh yeah, well if you know what mom, she's gonna you know what you.
Okay, let's do the head.
Help pat it down, Mommy. I thought that Madison had started ahead.
I did. I sat on it.
Oh my goodness, you sat on the head and cracked it?
Yeah.
Is that like Humpty Dumpty?
Yeah, I sat on his head.
That so far, that bigger than Emily. That snowman's bigger than Emily. Who's that? Oh, it's Lily. Lily! Get it, Lily. Get it, Lily. Lily's having fun in the snow, isn't she?
She is. What do you think?
This is Lily's first snow, isn't it?
Well, they had a little snow last year.
Did they?
Yeah, remember? What do you think, Lily? Get the snow. Get the snow.
Get it.
Get it. Get it. Get it.
Don't get lost out there, Lily. Okay, say bye, guys. Say bye. Say Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's
Happy Valentine's Day.